Hello, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. So I have been going through and working on the Hilton Head, South Carolina vlogs, and I am still not done with them, but I missed you guys and I wanted to come on here and chit chat for a little while, so I thought it would be a wonderful opportunity to do some Disney pin unboxings, and I am very, very excited. So essentially, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get on here and open some of the Disney Ducks blind bags. And ironically, well, maybe not ironically, I actually got these in Hilton Head. So I thought it was fitting to kind of take a break from the vlogs, go back to my OG, chit chat with you, and open some Disney pins because they've been sitting on my thing and I've wanted to open them and I wanted to chit chat with you. So essentially, if you are new to my channel, hello, hi, welcome. We do a lot of different things here on this channel. It's a little bit of a chaotic life, essentially, little corner of the internet. I do a lot of Disney World vlogs because I am a certified Disney World travel agent and I absolutely love Disney. I do a lot of Disney pin content as well as bookish and sustainability and just general lifestyle, I guess. So if you are interested in joining this little chaotic corner of the internet, please like and subscribe. It really does help out my channel and you can join the community of these awesome humans and we can reach more people like you. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to open these, but first, I thought it would be kind of fun to show you my very, very, very small actual rubber duck collection. I need another collection, like I need a hole in my head. So it's not necessarily a collection, but I've been accruing, I've been getting random ones, and I do, if I do say so myself, have some pretty neat ones. So starting off with the first duck that I ever got, it's this little princess. It's like a candy princess duck. It's actually it's been living in my car, so it's seen better days, but she was one of my first rubber ducks I got. I do not have a Jeep, I just like ducks. Then the other one that I got, one of the first ones, is this little space guy. He's blue, and Steve's friend actually won this for me. He was playing one of those, claw machines that I am terrible at, so he picked this guy up for me. Then my most recent duck is this llama. I guess it's not really a duck, it's a llama, but we went to an arcade with some friends where Steve actually got asked to stand up in their wedding, and we did bowling, and there was an arcade, so we had I think 100 points from the games that we played, so got to get this llama guy. And ironically, originally I picked out what I thought was an alien. It turned out to be a Yoda, so I wanted to switch out, and I got to switch it out for this llama, so that was fun. And then the best duck for last, I only have 4, is the Guy Fieri Flavortown duck. So if you are keeping up with the vlogs, we went to downtown Flavortown in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I'll link this up above, and it was pretty fun, and I got a Guy Fieri duck. So he's probably the most unique duck that I own. He's pretty cute and adorable. So that's my main duck collection. So now we can open some Disney pin ducks, and essentially every single blind bag that you get has 5 random pins in them, and there's a couple different options. So which ones would I like? I feel like getting Daisy or Donald would be funny just because they are ducks. Tinkerbell's cute. Flounder would be cute. Or Sorcerer Mickey. So Sorcerer Mickey. Then you've got Minnie Mouse. Ooh, you can see my face, it's super crazy. I'm super close to you. Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and then Flounder are probably my top picks for these. So I got 2 bags, so I have 2 opportunities to, or 10 opportunities to not get duplicates, and they do retail now for $44.99. And let's open some ducks. So, and I do think they actually now all, yep. So they used to just kind of be in these bags randomly, but now they have all of these blind bags. So you have 5 blind bag in a blind bag, essentially. These are pretty decently sized pins, if I'm, now that I'm, like I was expecting them to be smaller. Okay, first one. Da, 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 da. Except I hate these blind bags because they always give me a hard time. Do, 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 do. Aha! Sorcerer Mickey! Look at, starting off strong. So he was one of the ones that I wanted. And look at the size of this pin. I mean, it's like almost the size of my palm. Like, I was not expecting them to be that large. Come on, Disney. You're making out. Love that. So, Sorcerer Mickey, first one. I saw myself. Minnie Mouse! So now we're 2 for 2 for the ones that I wanted. Look at how cute. So they're just rubber duckies dressed as the characters. They're ginormous. I can't get over the fact that they are just so large. Like, they're like larger than most of the other pins that I have. It's like weird. Do, 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 do. And we got Dumbo. Oh, he's like a 2 pin back too. Like, look, he's so large that they needed 2 pin backs. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, these are large pins. He's cute. Those ears. They kind of look like webbed feet, and I don't know if that's intentional. Cute. Okay. Da, 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 da. Oh, and we got, what is his? Power line, right? From Goofy Movie. I got to see him in person, like his, you know, he was walking around Disney World at one of the parties, and he's pretty fun. So he was gonna be a backup, so I'm not mad about him. Okay. These pins, ooh, I threw it! I was apparently so excited I threw it across the room trying to open it. It was Baymax. Baymax just wanted to fly. I'm just saying. Like, it wasn't me, it was Baymax. He really does not want to stay in my... Baymax is super cute. Okay, so pretty decent ones for our first bag. I am not complaining. They are all super cute. And I can't get over it. They're so large. Okay, second bag. And so this is our last bag of these. And I feel like I'm gonna have to finish this collection. So, these bags. Now I'm afraid I'm gonna fling them across the room. Okay, so our first duplicates. Minnie Mouse. She just wanted to be here twice, so that's okay. Second one. Ooh, see, they're just flipping out because I have to, okay. Not doing too hot. Baymax. If it's all the same bag, I'm gonna be really disappointed. That has happened to me before, and it's always very, very disappointing. Okay, okay, okay. This might be the same exact bag, so that's fun. Power line. Come on, we gotta get at least one new one. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. We got 2 more. Please, please make them different. I think it's the same exact bag. Oh, that's so disappointing. Well, we still got one more. Okay, okay. So please don't let it be Dumbo. Don't let it be Dumbo. Don't let it be Dumbo. Okay. It's not Dumbo, so it wasn't the exact same bag. It's a little Pluto. But we got 4 duplicates. That's so sad. There's so many other opportunities. We didn't even get Donald or Daisy. Oh, that is so annoying. That's okay. Okay. So we have... I'm trying not to be disappointed because Disney pins are Disney pins, but 4 duplicates is a lot. So I might have to buy some more. So that's fine. But anyway, so that's fun. So if you are new to Disney collecting, this is a great way to get into Disney trading. You can see on the backs of all of the authentic Disney pin, it has the Mickey waffling, and now they are even adding a stone there. So you know it is a stone Mickey. So you know it is authentic, so you are trading authentic pins. And if you would like Powerline, Baymax, Sorcerer Mickey, or Minnie Mouse, so if you want any of these 4 pins, I do have my Whatnot linked down below, and I sell all of my duplicates for, you know, a discounted price because I just want them to go into fun homes. So please see that down below and you can purchase those. Or if you want to trade and you have Flounder, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, or let's see a 4th one. Who would I want? Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell's cute. And you want to trade, my Instagram is also linked down below. You can reach out to me and we can do some fun pin trading. So there you have it. Little disappointing, but still Disney magic nonetheless. So thank you so much for being here. Short and sweet video today, and I will get back to posting the travel vlogs and then back to regularly scheduled. I just missed you guys. I wanted to talk to you. Maybe we'll get my sister out here to do some pin unboxings and we will have some fun time. So thank you as always for being here. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are interested at all to book through me as a certified Disney travel agent, my link is down below where you can fill out the form and I can help you get the most out of the magic. And that being said, that's all I got for you today. So thank you so much. I will catch you next week or even sooner. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.